Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome back to the science class for the grade 4. This is lesson number 6, plants living and surviving. So in today's video we are going to start this lesson. At the end of this video you will be able to define what is habitat and what are different kinds of habitat, adaptations and different adaptations shown by plants in different habitats. Let's start our lesson, plants living and surviving. Plants grow in different kinds of environments such as cold mountains, deserts and ponds. The environment in which a plant grows and is commonly found is called its natural habitat, means where the plants naturally grow. The various plants' habitats can broadly be divided into two types. They are terrestrial and aquatic. The habitats found on land are called terrestrial habitats. These include plains, cold and snowy mountains, marshy areas and deserts. The habitats in water are called aquatic habitats. Ponds, lakes, rivers and seas are aquatic habitats. As you know children, plants need air, water, light, nutrients, soil and the right weather conditions to grow. These needs of plants are fulfilled by their habitats. However, each habitat is unique and offers different challenges to the plants. Every habitat may not have ideal conditions for plants to grow and to survive. For example, deserts are extremely hot and dry. Also, there is scarcity of water in deserts. On the other hand, it is extremely cold in high mountainous areas due to heavy rainfall. Plants undergo changes in their structure or behavior to survive in their environment. Such changes that make plants suited for their environment is called adaptation. So adaptations are unique to a specific area. For example, the adaptations shown by plants in deserts will not be effective for plants in cold and snowy mountains. Let us study now the adaptations shown by plants in different habitats. First one is terrestrial plants. The plants that grow on land habitats such as plains, cold and snowy mountains, marshy lands and deserts are called terrestrial plants. Let us see now the adaptations shown by terrestrial plants. Plants that grow in plains. The climate in plains can range from very hot to very cold. Plants that grow in the plains have many branches and lush green crowns. Peepal, banyan, mango, neem and shisham are examples of trees that grow in the plains. Some trees have thick, strong trunks to protect them from winter. Such trees keep shedding leaves and growing new ones throughout the year. They stay green round the year, so they are called evergreen trees. Some trees in the plains shed all their leaves once in a year, usually during the winter season. Such trees are called deciduous trees. Deciduous trees grow new leaves in spring season. Now, rainforests that grow in plains. Rainforests are found in hot and wet places where it rains heavily. There are a large number of plants of different shapes and size growing here. The plants compete with one another for sunlight. Trees in a rainforest grow very tall to grab maximum sunlight. The trees have thick crowns and form a canopy that covers the other plants below. These trees receive a lot of sunlight but allow very little sunlight to reach the plants below. Under the canopy there are some smaller trees, bushes and climbers. These plants have large leaves to capture whatever little sunlight reaches them. Some plants climb over the trees to reach the canopy. Let's see now plants that grow on the mountains. High mountains become very cold during snowfall. Fir, pine, cedar and spruce are some trees found in mountains. The mountain trees survive in the cold conditions by showing these adaptations. What are the adaptations? The trees are straight and tall. They have conical crowns. The conical shape of a tree causes the snow to slide off easily without damaging the tree. They have tough needle-shaped leaves and it is difficult for snow to accumulate on the narrow needle-shaped leaves, protecting them from frost. Instead of flowers, trees here have cones that contain seeds. Apple, walnut and almond trees also grow in snowy mountains. These trees have round crowns. However, they shed their leaves in winter season. Let's see now desert plants. Plants that grow in the desert are acacia, which is also called babul or kikar, and cactus, date palm are mostly found in deserts. Let us find out how they survive in the hot and dry climate of deserts. Desert plants have small leaves. Then most plants lose water through the stomata in the leaves. In deserts, there is scarcity of water, means there will be shortage of water. As deserts get very little rainfall. Smaller leaves help the desert plants to retain the water by minimizing the water loss. In deserts, cactus plant, the leaves have been modified into spines or thorns. This helps the plant to prevent water loss. It also discourages animals from eating the plants. The cactus stem is green, thick and fleshy. The green stem carries out photosynthesis and stores water for the plant. A waxy layer on the stem helps to reduce the loss of water. Desert plants have roots which spread deep into the ground in search of water. The acacia and date palm tree have such roots. The date palm trees have strong and hard leaves. This helps them to survive in hot and dry deserts. Okay children, that's it for today's video. In the next video, we will study about plants that grow in marshy areas, in coastal areas and aquatic plants. Okay, so till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.